See, and I got plenty of room right here. And that's with the back door closed. Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna be checking out this air mattress that LED Factory Mart sent us out to review. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. So we're about to open up this air mattress here that LED Factory Mart sent us out. So let's check it out and see what's inside. So this is first impressions, opening up the box, first time. And it comes with a bag. That is a nice touch right there, because you know, when you're going camping or off-roading or whatever, it's nice to have everything in one bag, so you don't have to worry about everything flying all over the place. So let's go ahead and open up the bag and see what's inside. It would help to hold on to the instructions and all this other equipment. We're gonna go ahead and unfold all this, and we'll get back with you. All right, now that I have it all unfolded, we're gonna go ahead and air this thing up. All right, I had to make a quick adjustment here. We're gonna start airing this up now. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Looks like right here, there is a tab that you push down, and it opens up this, and you just click the on button. There we go. No batteries intended, it's all there. Thank you. We're just gonna keep this rolling, see how long it takes. Should take a couple of minutes. So while this is airing up, it's probably best to start kind of like make sure everything's like laid flat. Check up here. You might need an extra partner here so this wind doesn't blow it away while you're trying to get it all situated. So make sure everything's folded out real nice and everything's flat. And like I just said, did not add any batteries. This is first hand right there. The material's really nice too. We'll get a close up here in a second. We're just trying to air this up. But no batteries. I did not add anything. It's just all ready to go. So thank you, LED Factory Mart. Looks like a good product so far. So we're still checking it out here. Look at that. So this is a closer view of the LED Factory Mart air mattress for the Jeep JL and I believe JK. So like I was saying earlier, if you couldn't see, it's just a little clip right here. You just press down and it opens up. I did not add any batteries to this. So it looks like it just comes out like that. As you can see right there. I'm believing all the mechanism and batteries are in here. So it's all ready to go pretty much once you receive it. So, and then you just click the on button and it starts airing up everything. You close and open this. Look at this, it holds on really tight. So, all right, let's get this adjusted here. I'm gonna turn that off and close this up. So we're gonna move the seats forward a little bit and see how well it does with everything closed in here. All right, I have my lovely assistant assisting me, checking out this air mattress here. She's currently taking a nap here. We're 30 minutes in, but she is definitely enjoying this nice air mattress. You could definitely fit 2 people, but she's taking up most of it, because you know how women are, they take up most of the air mattress, or they take up most of the mattresses. See, and I got plenty of room right here. And that's with the back door closed. And obviously it looks like if you move that just a hair back, there is an indentation right there, so you can use the heater or the air conditioning at the ducts. And it looks like there's 2 built-in pillows kind of right here, right in the front. So that is a nice touch. But yeah, definitely nice and cushy. Okay, so I just wanted to add that it does have instructions and it comes with this attachment. So pretty much what you do is, like I was showing you earlier, you twist it and you could take this attachment off, and up front here is you attach this middle section right here of the 3 cups, and you want to put it into this hole. I removed the plastic piece already, and you want to install that in there, and you turn it on, and it will deflate the bed. So that is also a nice touch. So pretty much everything will be deflated, and then you could fold it up afterwards. Again, I want to thank LED Factory Mart for supplying us with this nice air mattress. It is definitely comfy. We're going to definitely enjoy this thing.
We're going to enjoy this mattress and the doors. Thanks to you.